This is Aminta, and you are listening to the Community Partners for Healthy Streams podcast. Here we feature a new topic every month on different ways you can help prevent water pollution and conserve water at work. The commode, the latrine, or put more simply, the toilet. They're found in just about every type of commercial business or property. Commercial toilets can be tank-type toilets, just like the ones commonly found at home, or they can be flushometer-valve type toilets, which instead of a tank, rely on a valve that releases a high volume of fast-moving water to flush properly. If you are looking to upgrade older malfunctioning toilets in your office building, hotel, or multi-residential property, or you just want to save money on your water bill, also important, you can save a significant amount of money on the upgrade through a commercial rebate program with Cobb County Water System. To help answer some questions about the commercial toilet rebate program, we have the perfect guest expert here today.
Hi, my name is Angie Marcus, and I am the Water Efficiency Supervisor here at Cobb County Water System.
Welcome, Angie. On an important side note, did you know that the day we are recording today, November 19th, is actually World Toilet Day?
That's right. I had no idea until you told me yesterday.
Glad to fill you in. So we love, just like anybody, to laugh and joke about toilet jokes all day long. But this day recognizes that toilets are important for public health, for preventing diseases like cholera, and keeping our waste separate from our drinking sources of water. Let's start by going over why you'd want to replace your older commercial toilets. How much water could you potentially save?
That's a great question. Let's take flushometer-valve toilets as an example. Imagine a 10-story office building with 1,000 people that work there. According to the EPA, if you were to replace all the old, inefficient flushometer-valve toilets in that building with WaterSense labeled models, you could save nearly 1.2 million gallons of water and nearly $10,000 per year.
What does it mean for a commercial toilet to be WaterSense labeled?
WaterSense is a program created by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. Products in different categories are awarded the label when they are independently certified to use less water than their competitors. They also have an online database that makes it really easy for you to find a toilet or some other fixture that is water efficient.
How does a WaterSense labeled toilet compare in gallons per flush to an older, more traditional toilet?
A WaterSense labeled high-efficiency toilet, whether it be a tank-type toilet or a flushometer-valve toilet, has to have a flush volume of 1.28 gallons per flush. That said, toilets last a very long time, so it's still common to have working commercial toilets with flush volumes as high as 3 or even 7 gallons per flush, which is much greater than the federal standard of 1.6 gallons per flush.
All right, I'm convinced. Tell us about the commercial toilet rebate program. Let's talk about the requirements first. I know there are a few, but they are really important to note.
That's right. First off, you must be a commercial water account holder with Cobb County Water System, and your property has to have been built in 1992 or earlier. We set this requirement because the older your property is, the more likely it will have an older, less efficient toilet.
That makes sense. Any requirements for the toilets themselves?
Yes, your current toilets have to be greater than 1.6 gallons per flush. And the newer toilets that you would be installing have to be EPA WaterSense labeled. That usually means they're certified to have 1.28 gallons per flush or even less.
Do you have to upgrade all the toilets on the entire property?
No, it's not required to upgrade all at once, but you can only apply once for the rebate. So it's in your best interest to apply for as many toilets as possible at one time.
Now, onto my favorite part, water savings. How much can you potentially get back as a rebate?
You're eligible to receive $50 per toilet in rebates, with a maximum of 100 toilets per property. That's up to a savings of $5,000. The rebates are issued as a credit onto the account holder's water bill. So you won't receive a payment in the mail or cash or card or anything like that. It will show up as a credit on your water bill.
Can the rebate be divided up to different homeowners or residents if it's a multi-residential property?
Cobb County will only issue a credit to the community's water account holder. So the answer is no. That would be the sole responsibility of the commercial account holder of the property to decide how to divide up the rebate and to carry that out.
And with that, we are out of time. Thank you so much, Angie, for being a part of this podcast series. For more info on how to apply for the Commercial Toilet Rebate Program, please visit our website at www.cobbstreams.org. See you next time. Bye-bye. The intro and outro music titled Easy Living is by Agnes Valmagia under the Creative Commons 4 license. To visit online, go to filmmusic.io/song/6832-easy-living, and for the license, go to creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0.